Today we have a practical lesson of eloquent filtering of the data with has many relationship and with operators like has and where has. In our eloquent model the user has many posts and has many comments. And the posts has many comments. First operator has in the most simple form. This is how we can get the users that has posts. We can also combine the has statements so we can get the users that has posts where those posts have comments. You can also filter by how many posts the user has, so let's try and only get the users that have more than 5 posts. We can also use or has so we can get the users that has posts or has comments using the or has method. The opposite of has is doesn't have, and we can use it to get the users that doesn't have any posts. But what if we want to go deeper now and get only the posts that have comments in them? We can use the has posts.comments so we can get only posts that have comments. And we can even filter it out just like we filtered the posts, and now we get only the users that their posts has more than 5 comments. Now let's dig deep into a more complex method that is the where has method. It is used when you have additional conditions on something. So we use where has relationship and then subquery on something. In our example we will use it to return the users that has only active posts, user where has posts where active equals 1. We can also combine where has by returning only the users that have active posts and active comments by chaining another where has method into our first where has and writing a condition inside it. And it's not only where has but we can use it with or where has, where we will get the users that have active posts or the users that have active comments. If you want to dig deeper into relationships in Laravel you can check the Laravel documentation that I will link down in the description. And also I have a question for you of topic. Do you have any advice for me how to shoot these videos or any general advice so I can improve? Just add a comment below and help me improve my videos. And you can also check my channel for more Laravel content.